He is... No. Sige, ipakaon na ka itong monster dito. He is 6 years old and I am 27 years old. Here, come here na. You are done na, oh. Hindi na, you are done na. Who is that child beside you? It is my student. I'm having some tutor. He is my student. Here. You're gonna write, excuse me. What to do when you want to pass by to someone? He said, excuse me po.
Excuse me po.
Thank you po.
Thank you po.
You're welcome po. Opo. Opo, teacher.
What the care?
Okay. Good afternoon. Here. We are having some class discussions. Having some tutor. He seems so very naughty. Yeah. He's so very naughty and handsome. Yeah, because he has childhood special needs. Hi, here.
So,
I will cry now.
you won't listen to me.
Yeah.
I will cry now.
Yeah.
I will cry now.
What are you looking at in your phone? I'm looking for time.
You're on the left. Teacher, you're better.
What's my name?
Teacher,
What's my name?
yes.
Sure.
Karen.
Karen. Okay, what's my name? What's my name?
Teacher,
Teacher?
Karen.
Karen.
Boy,
Hello. Where did you came from, Amtiaz Ahmed? Here. Excuse me. You're right. Excuse me. You're right. No. I will be mad.
You'll be quiet. Teacher Karen.
Lantawa na nga.
Teacher Monty Buddy. Monty Buddy.
Si Buddy is in the home.
Yung bang bawas.
No. Later pa. We're not done. Good afternoon, guys. Good afternoon. Where did you came from, Ahmed? You know how to dance? Huh?
Oh yeah.
Why? That's bad. Why I don't like you. You're bad. That's bad, man. That's bad, man, Kendrick. Yeah. No, later pa. We're not done. Kendrick, come here.